Well, hello dear friends, it's me again, Chapper. Are you a fireman, teacher? Probably you're a nurse. Tired of the government to treat you like the worst? Tired to die for hunger and thirst? It's almost like they're trying to put you in a hearse. Well, let Chapper and Sons come along and help you overcome the curse and put a little bit more money inside of your purse. Guaranteed. Well, butter me up and call me a biscuit. Then when it took a pay increase. When your pay over there look like it's stuck in grease. Obviously they take you for the least. Jesus peace. Now hear me out, Trevor, Annette, and Denise. Don't run on over with your friends to that other man where B people will file over east, because we got the remedy to ensure you can have a financial feast before you decease. Now come on, government. It's been a long time y'all been living in y'all big houses and driving y'all big vehicles then. Do you think it's time y'all take care of the people then? Huh? Well, if y'all don't want to treat them like they matter, we're going to ensure they get sorted out proper. Just remember to call us at 1-888-CHAPPER. Chapper and Sons.